At number 3 is Dayo Amusa. She's a famous Nollywood actress. She has discussed her decision to go public with her HIV status.
Hello, beautiful people out there. I want to address a video that has been, going on all major social media platforms in the last 24 hours. This video was posted by some guy that I don't know, but I started getting tagged on this video, and I think it's related to a post I made in 2019 as regards my HIV status. And the reason behind that particular post as at then was the fact that I had my HIV status, of course, which was negative, and I then decided to post the results and also try to inform people out there that it is very, very important for you to know your HIV status, so that even if for any reason you find yourself positive, you should understand that you need to seek medical help and do the needful. After all, it's not the end of the world. But it is so shocking, to now realize someone now picked up on that or whatever, I don't know, and enlist me with some other people out there claiming that, we all are HIV positive without making your findings. This person went ahead and posts this video on all major social media platforms, from Instagram to Facebook to TikTok to X, having hundreds, thousands of comments and likes and what have you. Do you people really make use of your brain? Do you people really sit down and make use of your brain when trying to put out content out there? Do you realize the length at which this video has traveled? Do you realize the deformation of my person and character by that video you stupidly and foolishly put out there without making your findings? Anyway, I'm sure by now, anything more to back number. By now, you will not mobitare kusi. Because I'm not going to let that slide. I'm going to make a scapegoat out of you. You understand? I will make sure I make a scapegoat out of you. Not because I find pleasure in doing it, but because that will teach you a lesson, and some other stupid and foolish content creator, blogger, or whatever people call yourself out there, that if you have to make an headline, verify, ask questions before putting people on the spot. You make available the where you got that information from, that I put out my HIV status to be positive on the public platform. You will make available the hospital we both went to, or the lab where we both visited, you understand, to have my HIV status results. The doctor, nurse, or lab tech, or whichever, that did the test and gave you the results, that gave you the effrontery and guts to come on social media platform and put that out, will provide mafia jofin. Shotiye mafia jofin. Shele ya wèrè ni. Nígbà tó ṣe pọ́n ṣépè fún yín, tí ó ṣe páyé ń ṣe yín. I just don't understand. If you must put out stuff out there, you make findings. Do you realize I have family? Do you realize I've got friends? out there. You understand? For you to put out such posts, my darling, anyway, to all my friends and family, friends are out there, yes, just like I did the other time, putting out my status out there, I did it intentionally. And like I said, I did it to inform people that it is important for you to know. I was happy that I'm negative, okay? And I felt like, okay, and let me just encourage people out there to get themselves tested, you know, so that they can do the needful. It's not the end of the world. This I do like every quarter of, you know, the year. And thank God, I am still HIV negative. Thank you.
Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu òṣèré orí ìtàgé tí a mọ̀rúkọ rẹ̀ sí Dayo Amusa wípé òun kò ní àrùn kògbóògùn, irọ́ ni wọ́n ń pa. Wípé information tó kárí gbogbo ayé pé irọ́ ni o, pé òun ò ní àrùn kògbóògùn. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ like, ẹ share, ẹ comment, ẹ subscribe sórí YouTube channel wa. Báwo ni rí jù báyìí lọ sí ìjọ́ mìíràn ọjọ́ rẹ̀ ìrèlójó òun rí ó dàbọ̀.